Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student or parent trying to choose between Pearson Edexcel and Cambridge syllabuses, this is for you. A lot of people get confused about which one is easier, which one is better for university, and which one suits their learning style. So today, I'm going to break it down in a very simple way. Now, when we compare them, the first big difference is exam structure. Edexcel usually has a more modular and structured approach. The questions are often direct, and if you practice well, you can predict the style. Cambridge, on the other hand, tends to test your understanding more deeply. Questions can be a bit more application-based, so you really need to understand the concept, not just memorize methods. The second difference is difficulty and style. Edexcel is generally considered slightly more straightforward, especially in subjects like maths. Cambridge can feel a bit more challenging because it mixes concepts. Cambridge expects you to think more critically. Next is grading and assessment. Both systems have their own grading methods, but universities accept both equally. So don't worry, choosing Edexcel or Cambridge will not limit your future opportunities. So in simple terms, if you prefer structured learning and predictable exam patterns, Edexcel might suit you better. But if you like deeper understanding and more challenging questions, Cambridge could be the right choice.